Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In this video, we solve this question. A coin is tossed for time. What is the probability that at least one head appear in four tosses? How many time? Second part is how many time the coin must be tossed so that the probability of at least one head is 0.9. पहले पार्ट में आपसे ये मांगता है कि कॉइन को 4 मरतबा टॉस किया गया है और इसमें आपको एटलीस्ट वन हिट की प्रोबेबिलिटी वो मांगता है। सेकंड पार्ट में वो कहता है कि एटलीस्ट वन हिट की प्रोबेबिलिटी 0.9 के लिए आपको ये कॉइन कितनी टाइम जो है इसको टॉस करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, तो हम जो है पहले फर्स्ट पार्ट को सॉल्व करते हैं। सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ए पार्ट, लेट ए shows the event that at least one head appear. At least one head appear. One head, at least one head means one head or two head or three head or four head. Then probability of A will be equal to probability of one head or two head or three head or four head. And this one head, two head, three head or four head are mutually exclusive. Suppose R for union, and this is one head is a 1, two head is a 2, three head is a 3, and four head is a 4. So A1 union, A2 union, A3 union, A4, these are the four events, and these four events are mutually exclusive. So by addition of probability for mutually exclusive, this will be equal to probability of one hit plus probability of two hit plus probability of three hit plus probability of four hit. So probability of one hit is 4C1 divided by total cases is 2 raised to power 4, because in a single task you have head and tail, two possible outcome, and the coin is tossed 4 times. So this is 2 power 4 plus 2 head means 4C2. The possible cases from the coin is tossed 4 times, and out of these 4 times you need 2 heads. So this will be equal to 4C2 divided by 2 raised to power 4, 4C3, 2 raised to power 4, 4C4 divided by 2 raised to power 4. So this will be equal to 15 by 16. ठीक है, इस क्वेश्चन को आप इस तरह भी हल कर सकते हो, और you can solve this is probability of A, probability of at least one head is equal to 1 minus probability of no head. At least one head is one head, two head, three head, and four head. But the possible outcomes are the all possible. At least one head. This is at least one head. But all possible outcome is 0 head, 1 head, 2 head, 3 head, and 4. At least one head means 1, 2, 3, or 4. So the total cases is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So probability of at least one head. So total probability from 0 to 4 head, this probability is 1. अगर हम इस 1 probability से ये at least one head का subtract करें तो ये हमारे साथ आ जाएगा probability of no head. So probability of at least one head ये बराबर है total probability minus 0 head probability minus this probability. अगर हम इस 1 probability से इसको subtract करते हैं तो हमारे साथ at least one head की probability आ जाएगी. So we can write 1 minus probability of no head. So 1 minus probability of no head is 4C0 divided by 2 power 4. So 1 minus 4C0 is 1, and this is 16. So this is 1 minus 1 by 16. This is 15 by 16. Implies that probability of A at least one head is 15 by 16. This is another way to solve this question. Now we solve the second part of this question. In second, how many times the coin must be tossed so that the probability of at least one hit is 0.9. Here probability of at least one hit is given here, that is 0.9. Solution B part. How many times the coin must be tossed so that the probability of at least one hit is 0.9. At least one hit की probability हमारे साथ 0.9 है, और the coin, how many times this coin should be tossed so that you get this probability of at least one hit. Let C shows the probability of at least one hit. So probability of C is equal to 1 minus probability of no hit. Probability of C means probability of at least one hit is equal to 1 minus probability of no hit. जिस तरह हमने कॉइन को कितने टाइम 4 टाइम टॉस किया है, तो हमारे साथ पॉसिबल हिट जो है वो 0 हिट हो सकते हैं, 1 हिट हो सकता है, 2 हिट हो सकता है, 3 हिट हो सकता है, 4 हिट हो सकता है. 0 हिट मींस ऑल टेल्स. 0 हिट मींस ऑल टेल. 0 हिट हो सकते हैं, 1 हिट हो सकते हैं, 2 हिट, 3 एंड 4 हिट. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एटलीस्ट वन हिट मींस 1 हिट or 2 hit or 3 hit or 4 hit. So this is at least one hit. So at least one hit. इस probability को अगर आप शॉर्टकट तरीके से मालूम करना चाहते हो तो आप क्या करें, 0 to 4 आप जाए. टोटल probability तो हमें पता है ये probability 1 है. अगर हम इस 1 probability से ये 0 की probability सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, इस 1 से हम अगर इस 0 की probability सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो आपके साथ ये probability रह जाएगी, और ये probability at least one hit की है. तो हम लिख सकते हैं कि probability of at least one hit is equal to 1 minus probability of no hit. So this will be equal to 1 minus probability of no hit means 0 hit. 0 hit means 4C0 divided by 2 raised to power 4. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 2 raised to power 4. So you can write here this 1 divided by 1 minus 1 over 2 raised to power 4. Okay, this is probability of at least one hit. Let we toss the coin n time to get this probability of at least one hit. It is probability of at least one hit दिया गया है, और आपको coin कितने मरतबा टॉस करना चाहिए. Let we say that we toss the coin n time. अगर आप coin को 4 टाइम टॉस करते हैं तो एटलीस्ट वन हिट की प्रोबेबिलिटी, अगर आप कॉइन को 4 टाइम टॉस करते हैं तो एटलीस्ट वन हिट की प्रोबेबिलिटी आपके साथ क्या है, 1 minus 1 over 2 raised to power 4. अगर आप कॉइन को इन टाइम टॉस करेंगे तो एटलीस्ट वन हिट की प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 minus 1 over 2 power n, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 1 over 2 power n. 4 की जगह आपके साथ n आ जाएगा, and this probability is given here, that is 0.9, implies that 1 minus 1 over 2 power n is 0.9. So now solve this equation for n. तो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू implies that, इसको इस साइड पे लेके आए तो ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, 1 over 2 power n बन जाएगा, और ये 1 अपनी जगह रखिए और ये 0.9 इस साइड में लेके आए तो आपके साथ ये 1 minus 0.9 बन जाएगा. So this will be equal to 0.10, implies that 1 over 2 power n is equal to 0.10. Now we solve this equation for n. So taking log of both sides, log of 1 over 2 power n, इसका आप log ले लें, equal to log of 0.10. taking log of both side, तो ये पावर जो है ये आगे आ जाएगा, log of 1 over 2 हो जाएगा ये, एंड log of 0.10 जब आप कैलकुलेटर से कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो ये -1 के बराबर है. log of 0.10 is -1. So अब क्या करें, implies that n is equal to, इसको आप लिखिए log of 1 minus log of 2, ये हो जाएगा, ये आपके साथ -1 हो जाएगा. implies that n is equal to, log of 1 आपके साथ क्या है, 0 है, तो ये 0 हो जाएगा, log of 2 बन जाएगा, दिस इज इक्वल टू -1. ठीक है, तो अब क्या करें, ये हो जाएगा आपके साथ n log of 2, ये माइनस बाहर निकल आएगा, so this is -1, implies that minus will be cancelled with each other, so this will be equal to n equal to 1 over log of 2. implies that n is equal to 1 over 0.301 which is equal to log of 2 आपके साथ क्या है इसको आप log to base 10 of 2 आप ले ले you will get 0.301 and this will be equal to 3.32 which is approximately equal to 4 implies that n must be equal to 4 n की वैल्यू हमारे साथ क्या है 4 है इसका मतलब है कि how many time we should toss the coin we should toss the coin 4 times to get this probability so this is the answer